Hi, I'm Doug with Cisco Press. We're here at the 2009 Cisco Live event at the Moscone Center in San Francisco. It's the 20th anniversary of Networkers. We're really excited. We're going to be showing you videos from different locations this week within Cisco Live so that those of you who couldn't make it to the show can see some of the things that are going on. Naturally, we started right here at the Cisco store that's just about to open, but we thought we'd show you some of the great new books and software products that are coming out from Cisco Press and other publishers that are at the show. If you're actually here at Cisco Live, all of them are 20% off, so definitely want to swing by and take advantage of that. So we'll start off with the big hit, CCNA 64802 Network Simulator. It's by Pearson certification. Wendell Odom, our star author for CCNA, did the labs in here. We're really excited about this. It's actually debuting here today at the show. It's also available as a download purchase. Wendell Odom, I mentioned him, obviously the best-selling CCNA product ever, CCNA Official Exam Certification Library here. And Wendell's going to be by to talk to some of the folks at the store as we go along. We're not just doing simulators, we've also got some other exciting new software. We've debuted the Cert Flashcards Online system, and we have Cert Flashcards Online. It's a web-based, mobile-ready device and web application where you can actually do not only CCNA and all of the CCNA concentrations, but you can also get test banks on several Microsoft exams. You can get them for CompTIA exams and even some other ones like the VMware VCP exam. So definitely check that out. This is just a packaged access code, but you can buy it direct from us as well. And of course, the concentrations, we do have the exam certification guide as well. So in the area of certification, obviously we've got the Video Mentor. It's been really popular. We also have the CCNP Quick Reference, which is both available as an ebook, but also as a printed book for CCNP and for CCNA. And when you start getting out of the certification realm and you start talking about our network technology, we don't have just some of the most fantastic books on security and IP communication, but we also brought some of the other publishers that have done some really innovative things. We've got the Crimeware book from Addison Wesley Press by Jacobson and Ramzan. This is a really popular book now, and Crimeware has been really in the news, so we're seeing a lot of attention for that. Also, Applied Security Visualization from Raphael Marty's been getting a lot of buzz lately too, so we're expecting a lot of interest there. Of course, we do have our own Cisco Press security books. Dave Huckabee has both a Firewall Video Mentor as well as his most popular Cisco ASA PICS and FWSM Firewall Handbook. This is our best-selling security book out there. It's a really fantastic title. Now, we've got some new things. Obviously, a lot of people are talking about the iOS XR. We've got a fundamentals book that just came out. It's debuting here at the show. We've also got a book that literally had to be special shipped because it just got done. Second edition of the Cisco LAN Configuration Handbook, Switching Configuration Handbook. So that's another one that'll get some interest. Now, we do have CCI Routing and Switching Exam Cert Guide 3rd Edition. This is based on the now retiring version of the CCI exam. The new version of this, the new edition, you can actually, for the next 30 days, get free access to the rough cuts of the upcoming 4th edition. What that is, if you go to our ciscopress.com/Cisco Live, you're going to find rough cuts there. And what that is you're actually going to see chapters from this and 2 other books as they're being created by the author. You're even going to be able to communicate back and forth with the author and give them ideas for areas they might want to cover in the book. So you get to see that as it's being built. IP communications, obviously, when it comes to voice over IP telephony, Cisco Press is the market leader in that. We've got some great new books about some real specialty things. We've got things like voice over IP security. We've also just gotten our Cisco Telepresence Fundamentals books out. So a lot of telepresence talk at Cisco Live, a lot of sessions on telepresence. So we expect that to be pretty popular as well. We've got all of our SIP-T and C-Voice books out there based on Call Manager 6.0, so there's a lot of demand for that. We do have a new IP design for mobile networks book out. That's going to be pretty well followed. And virtualization in VMware is really a big topic. We've obviously got a lot of the books from Prentice Hall. There's the Haledki book that is one of the best sellers in the space, but he just published a book on security for VMware vSphere. And we also have a VMware VI3 book that just came out as well by Eric Siebert, who's a VMware V expert. So those are all from Prentice Hall, and we expect a lot of interest. Cisco Press is just now publishing a book called Interconnecting Data Centers Using VPLS. It really helps people, networking professionals, deal with some of the issues that come up from applying virtualization on their network. So that's one that we're really excited about. And then we do have Susan Bouchard and Sankar wrote Enterprise Web 2.0 Fundamentals. This is another one that's getting a lot of interest. Actually, John Chambers just got his copy the other day, so hopefully he's reading it. Now, the Cisco store, obviously, I talked about our books, I talked about our software. There's also a lot of great things here. If you're at the show, they're going to have one of the creators of The Realm and both materials of his to buy, but also he'll be here. They've got a setup for Rock Band 2, so you can come rock out a little bit if you want. And of course, they've always got the traditional Cisco and printed gear. So it's a great show. We're really excited about being here. Later on this week, we're going to try to bring you some news from the World of Solutions exhibit hall. We're going to talk to some authors, hopefully, as well. So we're going to have a lot of exciting things. So keep coming back to the Cisco Press site, and you're going to see more of our videos as we go along.